Say 3. How about a 30? All right, we got 33, 31, 32. We have a 20, no 30, 37, 39, no 30, 25, 26, 27, 22, 25. Go, we did it again. Dead center. We got another one. Woohoo! All right, Howsy with love. Hey, welcome in. All right, we've got another match on another 30, guys. This may put us into profit or at least break even. We need a $58 winner to get us into the break even. That breaks us at even. Anything over 58 is profit. And where are we at? We're up to 119 likes. We are cruising there too. And I'm sure the subs are up there too. All right. Man, I'm kind of glad I did this pop-up session. Get ready for tomorrow night's big session. If you think this is big, wait till tomorrow night. That's going to be fun. That's right, V. Carter. Boom! You're right. And we still got 3 more tickets to find, or 3 more numbers to scratch. This may be the big one too. I'm not going to say what you said, Super Savage, but I like it. All right, here we go. Let's continue. We got 25. What are we going to get after 25? How about 36? We have a 26, 33, 31, 32, 39, 37. We were close. All right, how about 14? I see 11, 16, 12, 17, 13. No 14. And the number 18. We have 18. We have 16, 17, 13. All right, 19. All right, no 18. So once again, we got that 1 number match. Could be it. Let's check the bonuses real quick, and then we'll come back and we'll zoom in on that 25 again. All right, here we go. First bonus. All right, it's a no bonus, which this is one of those times where you're not too upset that it's a no bonus. All right, another no bonus. And a third no bonus. All right, Cass. Please shout out. Where you at? Cass Wagner Maker. Wage Makers. I hope I did that right. A shout out to you. Thanks for coming in. Appreciate you very, very much. All right, we're 4 for 4 for no bonuses. 5 for 5. All right, we're 6 for 6. No bonuses. All right, here we go. Let's try it again. If you don't first succeed, you try again. All right, here we go. Can we get it on this one? Let's find out. We know we're going to have some zeros. Ooh, those are some big ones. They're right all the way out to the edge there. Hoo-hoo. Can this be it? If this is it, guys, you're going to hear a thump. And that's going to be me falling out of this chair. All right, here we go. We're going to continue. What are we going to find? Okay. Well, hey, it's a $30 winner. It's better than nothing. But it's a $30 winner. All right, so that takes us up to 222. 222 back of 250. So we're almost there, and we still